Imagine you're heading to a big conference and you want to book meetings in advance. You find a list of speakers and attendees on the website, but reaching out to them one by one, that's way too time consuming. What if you could automate the entire process? Let's say we're going to this customer support summit in San Francisco, and as I'm preparing for my conference, I'm scrolling down and I see this list of past speakers. First, we're going to reach out to all of these past speakers to see if they're actually going to this event again, and if so, we want to introduce them to our executive that's also going to be there. The second play we're going to run is we're going to outbound into all of these companies, two people with job titles in our ICP. In this case, it's customer success and customer support, and we're going to do that part completely automatic. We're going to completely automate this flow, starting with N8N. Navigate to the product templates section of the website, pull up pre-built workflows that are going to save you a lot of time. So the template that we're going to use, you can find it if you type in Gina, AI-powered web scraping with Gina, the easy way. Essentially, this is an ETL flow: extract, transform, and load. What this reader does is it allows us to plug in any URL here, and then it extracts the contents of that URL and makes it LLM friendly text that we can then use in the rest of our workflows. All you have to do is put your URL in this section. Now that Gina has extracted our data, we're going to transform it into a shape that we can use for the rest of our workflow. To show you a live example, we're going to do a new sheet, sheet 5, connect this to your Google account, have this append row from the name of your Google sheet, and then make sure you select the right sheet. If we look at our sheet 5, we see perfect. So we see the name, the position, the company, and the LinkedIn URL. Now all we have to do is export this to a CSV and upload this to Unify. I'm not going to run this play because I don't want to actually send this email, but if we were to run this prospecting node, I did want to show you that it would look something like this. We basically went ahead and took conference that we were going to. We identified the execs from the page. We used N8N to get their LinkedIn profiles at scale. We used Unify to enrich those profiles, get us the emails, and then we ran 2 plays where we sent the execs one email and we sent our prospects another email. That is how you automate conference prep with Unify.